We're in the McLaren and we are in Kelowna here. We're headed to meet Damon from Daily Driven Exotics, as well as our friend Kyle from Dark Iron Diesel and his other channel, Kyle Racexotics. We're gonna head down to Seattle, quick little road trip, because we are going for the Racexotics Supercar Rally, and it's gonna be an absolute blast. That is so hard. Met up with Damon, we got Kyle, we got Marco in the GT Mac and Cheese. That thing is absolutely wild. That McLaren GT has 111,000 miles, not kilometers, miles, and is set up to make over 1,000 horsepower. And it's funny because he just drove it all the way here in Kelowna from Florida and went through Toronto on his way. It's absolutely bonkers. And then of course Damon's SVJ, he's about to hit 50,000 kilometers. It probably will tip over 50,000 kilometers, I'm sure, on the drive. It's 650 already. Got Kyle in his Huracan. This is gonna be an absolute blast. We're headed down to Seattle.
People filming everywhere. That's like 6 phones.
It is.
6 phones. Okay, let's go. Oh, buddy.
Trying to describe just seeing these videos on the internet, but like both this McLaren in front of us, the GT, as well as Damon's SVJ, are both proper full straight pipe setup exhausts. Yep. And it's nuts. Like the percussion you feel in your chest. I've said for a long time that like it's really easy to get desensitized to cars on the internet. This is prime example of that, bar none.
Yeah. Lots of fire and lots of eardrums being broken.
Well, it's like, it's not the high pitch or the scream, it's the like thunder of unburnt fuel giving a big bang in the exhaust that you feel in your chest. It's pretty damn crazy.
And your ears, don't forget that.
And your ears.
Yeah, it hurts. Just casually ripping with an 1100 wheel horsepower McLaren and the DDE. Not a bad Friday.
We're about 5 minutes from the border here. You see the scenery that we're going through is just absolutely mind-boggling. Like, this kind of stuff, it does not look real unless you're here and living in it. And even then, looking at where we're going and whatnot does not feel or look real whatsoever.
Yeah,
it's very, very cool.
This is pretty unreal, that's for sure.
This is like grade A scenery. Very, very much grade A scenery.
Like, I was so mad.
What we're currently side questing, we don't know why. Damon just went on the radio and said, "Did you guys see that?" And then just left it.
Have you ever been to Vegas?
No, I have not.
They have stolen the Vegas sign.
What the shit? That they have. Did you see too? Well, the funny part is, did you see what that sign said?
No.
It said Coulthard, and I thought you were meaning as in David Coulthard.
No, no, no. I had to pull over because they literally copied the Las Vegas sign. I saw that. I was like, why don't we just run through the sign?
Oh.
Not bad. Just hop in the SVJ and rip away.
We are laughing. We did make it across the border. All was good. Of course, because he is a minor, we had to get a letter, or we didn't have to, but we brought a letter from his parents to make sure all was well. And we're laughing, we're laughing. No.
Yeah,
we got the car converted to miles per hour as well, because, you know, Marco in front of us is absolutely thinking. Got it all converted to miles. Everything's all good. We're in the States, baby.
Woo! Let's go!
Let's go!
squad pulling up. $4 a liter?
Much, much better.
$4
Yeah.
a liter?
I've never seen an actual rig.
Slightly overkill, but it probably works really well.
Shopping with Jeremy.
Shopping with Jeremy.
What do we got?
Coming to the States, there's like 18 kinds.
Jolly Rancher?
Doesn't exist.
Oh yeah, dude.
No.
Yeah, I think you can tell.
Yeah.
He knows. He's seen enough of this.
I think you can tell.
He's seen this too many times. I already know. This guy's been around.
I think you can tell.
I don't know anything about guns. If you want to get into bows and arrows, I'm Canadian.
Oh, good lord.
We saw him coming down.
Oh, you were the cop over there. Snitch into Border Patrol about the Canadians being in town. I see how this works.
It's a trap.
Her gun is smaller than Yang's gun.
Yang
Yang had a
huge gun. Bro, you know the guy at Border Patrol, smaller guy,
You got Yang?
50 cal on the hip. Okay? It's impressive.
Strapped.
He's not bad. 2 years. Ever used the taser? You want it?
He's underage, so it doesn't count.
That is the most backwards thing I've ever heard.
I think we have a note from his mom saying that
Yeah.
she can tase him.
Well, they left me with them for the weekend. I don't know. It'll be fine.
He wants some
Sounds like
candy.
you're on the list. Dude, just keep going around. I got a kids menu last night.
Seattle.
I'm not
Yes.
with him in his child trafficking situation.
We're getting too close.
I saw that one coming out. That's me.
Yeah.
He is man.
McLaren, 2 McLarens, 2 Lamborghinis.
Can I take one photo?
Of course.
Go for it. No, you can get it if you want. You can steal it if you want. All we're going to do is call you.
Oh yeah. Are you glad you came yet?
Oh, I'm having a horrible time.
Good.
I just
Good.
want to be back home, working on diesel trucks.
Saskatchewan is significantly better than here.
Work up Mama Soup.
He just stuck his finger after we talked about it.
You gotta build an immunity to the germs. It did not give me
The germs of the urine.
I'm just picturing you working on a diesel truck, setting like a nice sandwich down on an exhaust manifold, picking it up, seeing black, and still eating it.
He doesn't eat. It'd be me warming my food up on that.
Do you let him touch it? Smart man.
You gotta get in there and rev it. Yeah, you probably would. Okay, let's haze him. I need something out of this. Hey, counter.
Clickbait.
I just sent a video to my mom. I just sent a video to my mom.
W
So
cop.
great. Great cop.
Yeah, WW cop.
Not bad. They got so many more energy drinks than we do. And it's actually great.
It's not just energy drinks either. It's just flavors of everything.
Everything pretty much.
Like-
I don't know. It's kind of gay.
Flavors of anything and everything. Like especially treats wise, I guess like candy, pop, energy drinks. It's terrible for you, but very, very fun.
That it is.
It'll be really interesting to see because I have never been pulled over or been a part of a traffic stop south of the border. And a handful north of the border, but never south of the border. And with a group like this, I'm sure that it's not going to be the last time that we end up chatting with a cop. I'm going to bet you a buck at some point through the next few days, there's going to be some shenanigans to happen. The curves going this quickly, very, very fun.
Okay, fuel stop number 6 here.
I think we're 3 for the day. we go. Fuel stop down. Let's go. We're cooking pretty good down the interstate, and there is a lady that just flew by us in a Prius that is missing body panels and shaking and doing all sorts of things, and she could not care.
She's just sitting there, just chill, so chill. It's great.
It's nonchalant as all hell.
And we're cruising at 55 miles an hour. We're just, yeah, she's just ripping.
This is what you're waiting for. I think we're ready to rock.
All right, we have arrived, but we're gonna go and leave where we're parked here so we can go and get stickers put on. We got stuff, of course, that we put on before coming, but we got some of the proper rally ones that will go and look all pretty down here. So, we'll see. I think she's gonna look pretty good. I'm gonna have to go chat with that gentleman right there because I would love to have one of those cars, and I've thought about it a couple times now. And that car is in the color. It's called Green Hell Magno, as in Green Hell the Nürburgring, and then Magno as in matte paint. Ooh, ooh, baby. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. That'll do. There's some very, very pretty looking cars here.
There you go.
Yeah, this thing is wild. The color palette. Oh, I am so mad at you.
Why?
You have the same color car and you didn't bring it.
Well, we were twin turboing it and it stopped working.
Damn, that does ruin things.
Yeah.
That's sick, dude.
Yeah, it puts a damper on things to get bad turbo out the bottom.
Shit. What kit is it?
It's the comp turbos. So they're the comp greased and water cooled.
Sick, buddy. It's Giallo Orion. Woo.
No carbon.
We're gonna keep it nice and loud because there is copyright music playing in here, but this has been a gong show in all the best ways. Got our merch all here at Top Golf. Getting a hotel was really, really ridiculous. So the hotel we got here in Seattle is a little over an hour away, but it is what it is. We got a place to sleep. It's gonna be a blast. Just getting ourselves all merched up. It's gonna be fun. This is a ton of fun. See, the rally hasn't even started yet. Good trip down. Some golf, hanging out with Damon, hanging out with Kyle. Met some cool people, drove some pretty cool roads. Listened to an SVJ that's way the hell back there. It sounds loud as shit. And a McLaren that will blow your eardrums. We're all set up. Car's looking good. All right, guys. That's a wrap on day one. Tons of fun. Lots of ridiculous roads. See here, met some cool people. See you guys for day two.